Hello, I'm Laura. Today, I want to show you this classic four-wheel drive off-road pickup truck. The overall lines are smooth and tough. The vehicle is equipped with Cummins 320 horsepower engine and an automatic transmission, high and low transfer case. The cab features a pointed nose double row design at one seat in the middle of the first row. Can accommodate more members. The vehicle is equipped with a 360-degree rear-view camera system. The vehicle is about 5,970 by 2,160 by 2,175 mm. Wheelbase is 3,700 mm. In terms of off-road performance, the vehicle is equipped with coil springs and independent suspension. This vehicle is equipped with 140-liter tanks for extra peace of mind when driving long distances. Max speed of 140 km/h. This vehicle uses 295/65 R20 LT tires. Okay, if you want to know more information, please follow us. See you next time. Bye-bye.